this is how they're looking like. These are so nice. I love it. But
say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are good and stuff like that. Well, on my side, I am good, guys. I'm actually in a good space in my life currently. I'm flowing. I'm I'm actually taking everything as it is. You get me? No pressure. So basically this year I just told myself that, you know what, I just want to romanticize my life. Nothing more, nothing less, nothing hectic. So for those that don't know what really does romanticizing your life means, it means that I'm going to view my life through optimistic, sentimental lens, making it seem more beautiful, exciting, and meaningful with a lot of memories. So basically, I'll be focusing more on the positive aspect of my life, attributing greater significance, and also unleashing a version of myself that is at peace. I really just want to be happy. That's the only thing I aspire. I just that's the only thing that I want. Ufuna ukujabula. So yeah, I just hope that you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog. And yeah, if you're new here, welcome back, my love. And if you're returning, welcome back, baby. Welcome back. I hope you're gonna have a good time. So without wasting any time by blabbering or yapping too much, let us just get into it. I hope you enjoy. I think these are cute. Look, $13. Guys, they have like very nice glasses here. Oh, and also let me plug you. See, this is what we have. And this is retails for like $24. Oh, this is cute, guys. Oh man, why didn't they make ones for free? Guys, this is plastic. This is plastic. Can you believe? Okay, like you can find your. Do you see? Hey guys, excuse me for not updating you guys. So currently, I'm at Shade Street. I'm doing some window shopping, eye shopping, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And the things that are here, Shade Street is literally begging. But yeah, let's just continue doing some eye shopping. And yeah, I'm thinking of getting these. It looks so cute. Like, I love it. But hi guys, so I am back from running the errands and stuff. I am so excited as well. I literally can't wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow my fridge, guys, tomorrow my fridge is getting delivered. Pew, 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 pew. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am insanely excited. So when I was at Shit Street, guys, guys, imagine when I was about to pay, I can't find my card. I didn't have my card with me, so yeah, I lost candles, but we'll get them some other time. And that diffuser, oh my goodness, but I'm gonna get it. I just want to show you guys a few things that I got. It's not a lot of things, honestly. it's not a lot of things. It's just this homegrown machel, the apples, and yeah, excuse me guys, my SD card got full. But yeah, I got this papaya. Those are the only things that we got. And then I finally got a cutlery rack. Is it a cutlery rack? Yes, I finally got one because I don't have one. And the ones that I've been seeing in stores, it's either pinky, abo blue, abo purple, guys. I was just like, no. So the one that yeah, as I was saying, I couldn't find the one that I want. I wanted a clear one, but I couldn't get it. So I was just like, I need this because I'm tired of having my things all over. And then last but not least for today, I got this wireless speaker. It was $100, very small. When I have enough money, I'm gonna get myself a big one. But for now, I'm gonna use this to connect on my laptop when I'm watching movies and stuff. Because sometimes the sound is very low when I'm watching the series and stuff. So yeah, and I hate that. So yeah guys, that is that. I really can't wait for tomorrow. I can't wait. I'm in my parents' place currently. I'm at home. Yes, I'm at home currently. So tomorrow we're gonna go to my place and do some spring cleaning and stuff. The grass that is there, yo. So tomorrow nje siyosebenza into clan. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. For now, good morning guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. Don't mind me, I am literally still wearing the same clothes from yesterday because siyasebenza githi siyasebenza. So yeah, as you guys can see with the background, I am actually at my place. Njengoba besengishilo like we're gonna be damn working. I think you can hear the background noise and stuff. It is the loaning machine. I don't know what is it called, but yeah, umshini ukugunda utshani ubolorasa in the background. It is so bad. Oh my goodness. So yeah guys, that's what we're doing. Look at what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these. So yes, do you hear the noise? It's from like the front of the house. The guy is already started.
Tá?
Thousand years later.
We're calling it a day. Hi, Sizamile guys, Sizamile, you know. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. So yeah, let us go. Guys, guys. Oh my goodness, like I'm so happy. It's here. Well, I don't know why, but good driver guys, they wrote Tatatola, but I assume they just wanted to say this is coming to Tatatola. But let me tell you, big girl move, Sana. Big girl move. I have literally been staring at this fridge for close to an hour now. I'm usually so afraid to open it. I don't know, like I think I feel like it's so that, but why? Big girl purchases. Right? You know, this is not really the fridge that I want, but for Upambisa, this is everything. Guys, I'm so excited, like I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So, ayabona. Ay. Idinga isidoda ne. Sia ballena. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is my time to shine. And we have these egg trays. We have these egg trays. Oh! So this thing, they put it in here and then it's up to you if you put it on the fridge. Then why do people stick this on their fridge? On their freezers? Or refrigerators, whatever you want to call it. Keep it bold now. Keep it bold now. Darling, 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 darling. God is good, guys. God is good. Unkulunkulu muhle, guys. Like God is so good because what do you? I literally can't believe that this is me. So yeah, guys, that is that. I finally got my fridge and I'm so happy. Like, I can't explain the amount of contentment, the amount of excitement, the amount of gratitude, the amount of disbelief that I'm feeling. believe it that this is me. I don't know. I just. Hey guys, hi guys. So I literally just finished having my brunch. I just broke my fast. Not like breaking a fast is like fast, but like I was breaking a fast. So yeah, that is that. Today I'm not going anywhere. And stuff. I'm not going anywhere. I just felt like looking this cutesy and stuff. I also just finished shooting a video for my empty house tour video. I so wish I shot that video wearing like this, like dressing these, but I did it in the morning. But yeah, please give that video, you know, some love, show it some love and stuff, because your girl is trying, you know. So yeah, please give that video a shout out. Don't forget to like, comment. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to that video. It's definitely gonna come before this video. When you see this video, that empty house tour video will be out. So yeah guys, so like I was just sitting like chilling, doing nothing, literally nothing at all. I think that's one thing that I hate about uporega and staying at home, like being a kayanje. It's just, you know, because you end up doing the things you didn't want to do. You end up doing the things you didn't plan to do. Tell me, Uhuti, why Utato Twaga did she do what she did? Guys, I literally just bought a thingy, an air fryer. Uhuti, why? I don't know. Let me show you. This is the order. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is my order, guys. And it's written here, Tato. I don't understand with you. Why the fuck did I... Okay, I need to be quick because my battery is dying. So yeah, I'm waiting for an air fryer. It's coming. I'm not sure if it's Saturday or Friday. I'm not sure, but it's coming soon. And also I wanted to plug you guys with these coconut balls. These are from President Hyper. If you know President Hyper, you can get these from President Hyper. If you don't have a sweet tooth, don't try them. I mean, I don't really have a sweet tooth, but I do eat into the sweet. But now the problem is that, like, my teeth are paining. But yeah, this is how they're looking like. These are so nice. They're so nice, guys. Let me tell you. So yeah, this is how they look like. I just wanted to plug you guys. So yeah, these are my dad's, by the way, and I had one. Ooh. It was nice, but Izingelam got paining, so yeah, that is that. What I'm gonna do is to start editing, and yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I was just romanticizing my danger today. I'm just all about taking it easy, not doing a lot and stuff. I just want to take everything easy. So yeah guys, I'll see you. Yo guys, I'm here. Yo guys, Iyashisa yezo. But yeah, I'm here. I'm heading to one of Litolo Zamakula all these black people business. And like, I'm going to this other store to get myself an SD card adapter because guys, my SD card adapter died. Not necessarily it died, but my laptop literally can't read it. So I'm dealing with, oh my goodness, copyright. So I'm dealing with that currently. So yeah, let's go. Yeah guys, that's where I actually found the SD card. So yeah, let's go. It's actually school out currently. As you can see, kids parsing and stuff. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day of my vlog. I hope you guys are still good and stuff. So I was busy editing my video of an empty house tour and stuff, and oh my goodness, I just realized that I had a lot of anxiety while I was busy, you know, shooting that video and stuff. A lot was going on in that video. I realized ukuthi Mr. Tilapanti, do you get me? Like ngiyazinyata. I don't know if I'm making sense, because majority of the things that I've achieved, I believe you would see very like I've achieved them. I really can't believe it. So it gets to a point where it becomes overwhelming and stuff. I think one thing that makes it to be overwhelming is because I watch a lot of YouTubers that have figured this life thing and stuff, and majority of them sebakhulile. And then there's me, a whole 22-year-old, you get me? So I think it gets to a point where I pressure myself so much to a point where I want to use their pace. Of which this is my own race, guys. This is my own race, and I suppose that I really have to use my own pace. Do you get me? So yeah, that is that. But more than anything, those YouTubers, I'm not gonna lie, they inspire me. They inspire me so much, and I get motivated whenever I watch their videos and stuff. So it's actually a good thing. I just need to work on not pressurizing myself and stuff. But I have a lot of plans when it comes to my place, guys. I really want to renovate, especially the kitchen part. I want to change the unit and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get to that. But as for this year, the plan is to just renovate the place. Not renovate, but to furniture and stuff. So yeah guys, that's my 2 cents. That's what I wanted to add. And I'm still waiting for my parcel. Yesterday the guys called me and stuff, but because I'm pending on my phone, abang tolang, so we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna unbox on this vlog or the next one, but we'll see. So for now, let's just keep on enjoying this. I'm gonna go back to editing. Yo, these flies, yo.
I'd show you all around. If there's any.
Good morning guys, good morning. Oh my goodness. So yesterday I went to the store and stuff, right? Emakuleni. And I saw this, guys. It's an energy drink, it's a switch. I had no business taking this thing, but I did. Like, and also it tastes really nice, but more than anything, I was just in it for the aesthetics. Nothing much, nothing less, nothing more. Like, there's nothing more to that. So yeah, that is that. By the way, guys, today my parcel will be getting delivered. I'm so excited. I am insanely excited. I'm not gonna lie. and kusasekutheni, so I don't even know if presents are emini or kanjani, but I really can't wait. So I just thought, let me just update you guys and also plug you with this cutie little switch. It is really nice, I'm not gonna lie. It tastes like it tastes like ngizakufihla ne. Alright.
Shooting ka. Shooting.
Hi guys, it is literally hours later after I did that whole unboxing. My mom was so happy like seeing the whole thingy. She did not expect it actually, because my figure, she thought it was actually for me. And it was for her, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the air fryer that we've been using at home and then take it to my place. So yeah, I just want to close off this vlog because name and also I want to give a shout out to my parents, guys. Cleaning that place, cleaning my house was a lot of admin, but banks is either way. So I'm grateful, and I'm just grateful for God for everything that I've achieved and stuff. I'm just wishing for more blessings coming throughout the year and more years, and also wishing the same for you guys going forth. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I'm gonna see you on the next one. I love you, bye. Oh, and wait, hold up, before I see good and stuff, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you're lazy to comment, guys, you can just leave an emoji. It's okay, I would really appreciate that. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. I would really appreciate that. So yeah guys, thank you so much in advance, and I'm gonna see you on my next one. Mwah.